Everyone, pressure testing the engine this morning. We've got manifold here, take the carb off, stick manifold on. Down to the exhaust to create your system. Everything off. Drop your piston down to bottom dead centre. Pressurise. And that's, my friend, is holding pressure. Lovely. Already been round, sprayed everywhere with the old washing up liquid and water mix, see if I've got any air bubbles coming from anywhere, and I haven't. And we are happily holding pressure at 190. These kits are well easy to make. Blood pressure valve there onto an inner tube. Take the valve out, obviously, so it's free flowing. Exhaust stub, Jubilee clips onto a manifold, carb manifold, bolt it down, and there you go. There we go. Happily holding at 190. Sweet.